a domestic violence charge can really turn your life upside down. Oftentimes what happens is a couple will get into an argument, it gets very heated, it gets emotional, maybe someone throws something, or maybe someone slightly pushes the other person, and the next thing you know, someone decides to call the police to intervene. And the police arrive, and let's say one of the parties sort of blows things out of proportion. At that point, once the police get involved, it's out of the control of either party. And so what happens a lot of the time is the police will arrest a person, and then the alleged victim will be like, whoa, I just wanted you to cool things down. I don't want anyone arrested. Please don't arrest this person. This was all a misunderstanding. Nothing that serious happened. But by then it's too late. What happens is the person who's designated as the defendant will be shuttled through the court system. They'll be arrested, they'll be brought to the precinct, they'll be most likely held in jail overnight until they can be brought in front of a judge. And it doesn't end there. What usually happens is the judge will issue what's called a temporary limited order of protection or a temporary full order of protection. When there's a temporary full order of protection, it means that you can't even go home. You can't be with your partner. Sometimes it can even exclude you from having contact with your children if you have kids. So basically what began as an argument quickly leads into a situation where you can't even contact your partner, you can't go home, and potentially you can't even see your kids. So it can be very, very frustrating, and it can cause a lot of damage to families and people's lives. So if you find yourself in this sort of situation, there are ways that you can move forward with your case to try to quickly get the order of protection modified so that you can be with your family again if that's something that you would like to do. And additionally, there are ways to get the charges reduced. Certainly, I can't say on a video what's going to happen with any given case. It's very case specific. It depends on the underlying facts about what happened, and it also depends on the underlying facts about the defendant and the alleged victim. But if you have a case in New York City where you're charged with a domestic violence offense, feel free to give me a call. We can go over your case and we can discuss your options for developing a strategy where you can get out of this thing as soon as possible.